Colours of nature. A peacock butterfly basks its ruby red wings between the blades of grass. Ladybirds crawl their way up the evergreen trees as they soak up the warmth from the sun. A stunning sunset with gradients of orange complements the beauty of the landscape. The small tortoiseshell shimmers its iridescent, flame-like wings. Vibrant gorse permeates a sweet scent of coconut into the air. A newly emerged butterfly expands its wings like the petals of a daffodil on a warm spring day. Fields of radiant yellow sit in the distance by the sea. The verdant landscape, with an array of trees, shrubs and luscious green grass, is home to flocks of sheep. The large, lustrous eyes of a cat are darting emerald green colour. The distant royal blue sea borders the baby blue sky where birds soar and insects drift. The luminous clouds pass by through gusts of wind. Various shades of purple flowers border the garden. Scents of calming lavender diffuse through the air, creating a calming atmosphere, attracting an array of insects, such as bees and butterflies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.